Beware. Never mind the dogs. The owners are armed with phones, making videos of your crimes across America. We don't like you casing our homes while we're working, and we don't like you preying on our elderly neighbors. Oh, you can put your website right there. It's a military pit bull project image, and yeah, as I'm designing this, as always here, they're conducting harassment noise techniques from down below. The Mormons, LDS, Latter-day Saints. These right here are prepared as 4x6 photos. So you can literally print them, download. I hope to have them on Flickr soon. I have to excuse the shaking. I'm a little weak from some insulin poisoning. But print these out. Put them on your doors. Let them know. We're not interested in your cartoon Bible or character. Gold, the chair behind Stone Cold Mountain. Yeah, you can check out Gold at Daffodilia there. Both of the Daffodilias, the portfolio sites and DNFD series and Milton for Imagery. Also, MySpace will be there at the end of the month. Check it out. And remember to download any of that 25,000 plus. Examples of my work include Mormons Beware. You know you want to hand it to them when they interrupt your dinner. Check it out. At least save the text. Man, have I seen a lot of kitchen sinks thrown at me today. Oh, I gotta close that. Made the slideshow. There you go. Download printout. That's a 4x6 photo. Some saints imagery, October saints imagery, and yes, Saint John Paul II included. I'm trying to get ahead of schedule, so I have the saint of the day done before the day arrives. And remember that all of these saints are on a GIMP program, so if you got a favorite saint you'd like to see in the shadows there, or with those two flowers, yeah, you're going to have to come see me in person, because the devil hijacks your call to me. 424-229-4140. Make a video of that. That's also your lifeline being hijacked. You don't know when it won't be allowed to work, and those who are stealing your calls to me are worried enough about it to hold their phone records covered up. Make that video, post that video, and yes, the 22nd is Pope John Paul II's feast day. Milton, and this is my graphic art, the saints, for October 2018. I just finished the last one. Saint Bega, I believe, the 31st. Now I'm going to have to speed this up a little bit, but yeah, I'm not in the best of health, but got them done, and I hope to work on getting things done. I was getting these together to page as 4x6 photos. This is just for the graphic art here, and yes, 2 to a 4x6 print and 4 to a 4x6 print, and I hope to eventually get a month ahead so you can print them out for the month coming up. Oh, there's Saint Bega. Try to call me, 424-229-4140. See if the devil's stealing your call to me, and that's religious censorship. Come see me first, tell me about the saint. So this is my saint's imagery from October, a few from October. Eventually you'll be able to print them out through saints-imagery.blogspot.com. I'm Milton, son of Carpenter Mary. Dad Carpenter worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of Carpenter Mary. I get to tell everyone. Oh, hi, Sandra. Sandra is a very good guardian angel. What's wrong, Sandra? Some of the saints are crying. They have all kinds of cathedrals, churches, and I'm using LA as the backdrop. I don't have any choice. Tell them to get their people coming to see me in person with those photos of those churches and such. Some saints imagery. I'm melting. I'm getting caught up on my saints imagery. Either today or tomorrow I have it up on my Flickr. And yes, saints-imagery.blogspot.com is where you can find saints-imagery.blogspot.com, where you can find a whole lot of saints. It's up here somewhere. And try to call me, 424-229-4140, to tell me which saint has to do next, or to tell me what you believe, and see religious censorship. Make a video of that, because it's also your lifeline not working, and you don't know when this won't be allowed to work. Whatever boring thing you get when you try to call me. Phone ringing, error message, busy signal. It's not going to be boring. Need firemen, police, paramedics. Make a video of it right now. Gold. We cast a handsome shadow, don't we? My saint imagery, a few days worth, on the 12th of October 2018. Try to call me, 424-229-4140, to tell me which saint has to do next, or just tell me what you believe, and see religious censorship. Make a video of that. It's also lifeline censorship. Not one. A check of our lifelines, a Flight 93 check of America's lifelines, of everybody's lifelines. Not one in a decade, over a decade of asking. Make that video. You got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed, and those committing those crimes of religious censorship and lifeline censorship, word enough about to alter phone records to cover it up, but you got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed. Tell everyone to make a video of America's hijacked lifelines today. The saints imagery, well, that's from the month before, but it's from September 2018, last month, when I designed this imagery. And yeah, it's held back a little bit because bad health. Literally couldn't design. Insulin poisoning. It's what I'm still tasting after about 3 weeks of it coming out of everything. Been taking it for better part of this year. But have gotten the saints here. Look for them on saints-imagery.blogspot.com. I hope to get it up there today or even tomorrow. It's already in last month's big set that you can find on daffodilia.blogspot.com or christcomplex2.wixsite.com/daffodilia. Check it out, download, print me out like 4x6 photos. My saints imagery that I've been unable to do past couple of weeks. 10 days worth here. I'm slowly but surely catching up. Yeah, the devil has been running wild here in Los Angeles. Check out more saints imagery. I usually have a page by now. It has 4x6 photos, but once again, the devil. Check it out, saints-imagery.blogspot.com. And try to call me to tell me what saint I should do next. Tell me what you believe. And see that religious censorship, that should not be there at all. 424-229-4140. 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, Apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. Certified email as well. Some October saints imagery from me, Melton. Yeah, I'm still not at my best, but I'm keeping up with the saints, and I hope to get eventually a month ahead so that next month's prepared and can be printed out. By that time, or last month, or however it is. Remember, try to call me. I'm trying to get 30 days or 31 days ahead of schedule. Try to call me 424-229-4140. Make a video of your hijack call to me to tell me what you believe. Ask what I mean by Jesus is Immaculate House here on earth. And see that religious censorship that hijacked our lifelines. So make that video, post that video. Come see me in person. For some reason, I don't know why, Bernadette was taken out of the beginning of my video I just made. Yeah, when you see someone besides Bernadette or Daffodillia, here in my imagery, someone has tried to call me 424-229-4140, seen the devil steal their call and realize they must come see me in person to be in this imagery. But do that. And yeah, I'm making a video to take some photos. Oh, Rachel as well. Whatever your name is, see my contact, think your contact, and you got to come see me in person to get it. And yeah, I'm not feeling the best, so you'll probably see this up on Flickr tomorrow. Oh, Gold's there right now. Check Gold out. A little skyline imagery and cloud imagery. Yeah, I'm not feeling the best still, so I'm taking it easy. But the good thing about GIMP is the program is I designed my saint imagery with this. And now all I had to do is go in and put some new words in. 424-229-4140. Make a video of your hijack call to me. I've been asking for 9/11 Flight 93 checks for over a decade. That's you making sure your phone is allowed to work all the time by trying to call me. Make that video, post that video right now. Whatever boring thing you get, it's not going to be boring if you need the firemen, police, paramedics. It's money out of your pocket, your gate's livelihood. But yeah, that lifeline's the most important thing. Certify your mail if you want. None of that about the 93 checks either. There's some flower imagery today. Yeah, I'm going to take photos and a little video here, and hopefully I'll have the this on daffodillia.blogspot.com or christcomplex2.wixsite.com/daffodillia. Tomorrow I'm still not feeling the best. Remember, see my contact, think your contact. And yeah, try to call me 424-229-4140. See the devil steal your call and realize you gotta come see me in person. You see someone besides me and flowers and shadows and Los Angeles, clouds, sunrises, that kind of thing. You see something besides me, someone's done that. Be Daffodillia here, Bernadette here. And the shadows with light of truth. Stone Cold Mountain, John Mount Brady. Some carpenter, Dad Carpenter worked on skyscrapers, Mom Marianne. But that's gold. The chair behind Stone Cold. Try to call me right now, 424-229-4140. Make a video of America's hijacked lifeline. Whatever boring thing you get, not going to be boring if you need the firemen, police, paramedics. It's money out of your pocket every day. And those hijacking calls to me are worried enough about it to alter phone records covered up. And remember, print out these from vote-truth.blogspot.com. Tell the Mormons what you think of them, casing your neighborhoods, preying on your elderly. Come see me in Gold. We'll travel. Here's that siren. Check your family's lifeline. I'm John Mount Brady. I've been asking for 9/11 Flight 93 checks for a decade. Well, this is my saint's imagery I just designed today. Make that video whatever you get when you don't get me, because I've been asking you to check your lifeline. You can't reach me. You have no idea when else your phone won't be allowed to work. Been asking for a decade. I have yet to get one. Make that video, post that video, whatever you get when you don't get me. Not going to be boring. You're going to get phone ring, error message, busy signal, more than likely. Not gonna be boring when you need firemen, police, paramedics. So make that video right now of whatever you get when you don't get me. Those hijacking your calls to me or worried enough about to alter phone workers covered up. Document that.